Kuthiwa love loves love.
Yeah.
So is hate.
Nje.
Because I choose not to hate. Because what I don't like about hating, hater right now, you every time when I think about you, my whole world changes. So yes, love loves love, but I don't entertain the hate part for me. I believe that, but love loves love,
So
all the time. And then mina ngicabanga ukuthi imibuzo yami yonke bengifuna ukubuza yona angazi nokuthi khona mhlawumbe into engikhohliwe na ubufuna ucabanga ukuthi important kulezi ezi-important esizikhulumeli ikhona importantest.
Yeah, njengakusho ukuthi just follow the boy on social media uzobona like ama updates what's gonna happen.
Yeah,
there's a lot nje is gonna happen nje kusasa we somewhere we having a show Friday. There's a video siyenzayo next week we in Durban for a couple of PR staff.
Yes,
So nje
this really guys.
siyabuya ngaba ngizobuya eDurban kodwa ngeke ngifike ekhaya shame.
How are girls receiving new age?
Yazi ukuthi angaze the way I'm focused, the way I'm locked in, like I haven't had the chance yokushare anginayo inamba intobazane yala egudla bengihlane abantu enginamba zabantu
base Durban. Mara eDurban iseduzane phela mase usifikile isikhathi sokuthi ufuna ukukhadlisha.
No, I'm too focused right now. I'm too focused yabo. uNkulunkulu uzonginika lo uzofitha.
Yeah, and ngicela mase umtholile ne ungamfaki ku social media please.
Anu angimfuni nami but you may never know, God can ngiye superstar.
Yeah.
Sibe power couple.
Asifuna uzwa sewucomplaina phela njenge Black Diamond wena ethi ufuna ukuhlala nama A-list. Hawu ngithi ngiyakufihla wena uyayiqhawisa uyayiveza yami.
Yeah.
Can you please give us the word of the day?
The word of the day. Nobody owes you nothing. Bengizoshelela elinye igama but ke khona ingane ibukayo la.
Nobody, you know what, ne? Let us talk about it a bit.
Yeah.
I mean, ma creatives. Umuhleli uhlela. I like how I said it. Umuhleli uhlela your craft. Uyoyibone in 6 months time is somewhere. I mean, mangihleli nawe kanjena planning ukuthi yabona manje at least masingathola 10,000 views. Avele kufike 10. And then you have people that you know, that you believe that they can push you, like your family, your friends, your community, your what. And then abanye bayeza kuwena bakutshela ukuthi we see you, but they're doing nothing about it. And then you feel discouraged. How should we respond to such feeling when it hits you hard? Ukuthi things are not going the way ufuna ngakhona. Does it apply that we shouldn't feel entitled and no one owes us?
Go back to lento le azisisho there's 5 things that is ecela ngoba entitled.
Yes.
So nobody owes you support. Nobody owes you nothing. You are special, but don't put that in your head thinking ukuthi mina I'm special so people should treat me this way. Nobody owes you nothing, and you don't owe nobody. Jack, yabo. So yeah, support kanjalo akumele ubakwatele akumele uba nje you shouldn't feel bad yabo. But through bona I feel like ungabathola abantu abangaba i-target yakho yabo. So and futhi yazi ukuthi bazobuya futhi when you there bethi asiyabazi so nje kwazi futhi nalokho and accept it. That's the way in life engakhona yabona. Abakwenedi for the fact ukuthi ubonile should uyapusha ukuthi ubonile ukuthi akalayikanga commentanga ukuthi ubonile should khona nomunye ongakwazi ukubonile mhlawumbe ubone stuff sakho si right. So abakwenedi nje phela kumele ubacele ungabafusi wena ungabakwateli sibhizi wonke umuntu busy wonke umuntu ubhekene
nento yagowisha guys wonke umuntu yagowisha ayikho into ebaluleke like there's nothing umgowo wakho it's not like ungcono kunomunye. I love that.
Inkinga sonke. So nje cela mangenzeki ukuthi ungakwadi because akusikho kwakho feel entitled yabo dlula uzobathola bazokusupport just keep on keeping on basho njalo keeping on.
And guys, there's a word I want to add kuthiwa heal so that you can heal. Guys, we are dwelling on one place because we don't want to heal so that we can heal other people. We are so bitter that whoever who's around us, we hinder them because of you think that hurting them, good to hurt people. It's not worth it. Be kind to another people, and you can only be kind because you allowing yourself to heal from things, you know. I'm trying I like it. The way we have here corner the other thing goes.
Tipo lo pala sumtubo lo ingane kamanquma lo abanye bathi umgazo so bethu masiphola usidinani samakhosi ubiyela indaba ezithi. Sisiphakathi mina ithi.
Lizule ke bafethu, listen guys. We so grateful. We see you guys. Siyanibonga kube asikho la sikhona right now if you were not there. Siyazi ukuthi anisikolothi. We acknowledge nango ke uThibo guys, please ngicela nihambeni niyombheka nibheke umsebenzi wakhe omuhle kakhulu, nibhekeni uSoprizi guys, he's amazing. Nihambe niyochecka iReasonation is amazing. Ningangikhohlwa ke nami, ningakhohlwa ke lokho ni subscribe because yami ni share ni commenteni dithi kuni ndinithanda kakhulu, sophinde sibuyeni uba ke uThibo khona into enifuna umbuza zona. You are free to do that. You can go on his DMs. Now nama comment platform here ku YouTube channel yethu. Ndinithanda kakhulu bethuna intombi yakwaMampinge iyanithanda ihamba nomgazi. Nizokuthiwa ubhuti umgazi unogazi. Nivila ndithi we are